In this, his third lecture, Dr. Perricone turns his attention to the brain-beauty connection.
During our last presentation, University Lecture Series number 2, there was a theme that tied the whole thing together, and that theme was actually provided the direction for my research over the years. And that theme is the brain-beauty connection. What does that mean? When I was a medical student, we studied embryology, and I found that there were 3 layers of tissue that then developed into every organ system in our bodies. And the same layer of tissue that was responsible for production of brain also produced skin. And therefore, when I made certain observations as a student, that is, when something was therapeutic for the brain, the skin improved, it made sense to me. And when I continued studying skin as a dermatologist, I found many similarities. So that gave me direction in my research and will give us direction today. In the first program that I presented, in the wrinkle cure, I talked about something important that was another theme of my research called the inflammation-disease-aging connection. And what I want to impress upon you today is that no matter what I talk about today, the final common pathway is inflammation. Let's quickly review the inflammation-aging connection. I'm talking about inflammation that's invisible. You can't see it and you can't feel it. Now, inflammation is a spectrum. It goes from the invisible to the very visible. We've all had a bright red sunburn at one time or another, except for me, I'm a dermatologist. And that bright red sunburn is the extreme end. On the low end is this subclinical, invisible, we call microinflammation that exists in all our cells, and that's breaking our cells down. It's causing the aging process and age-related diseases as diverse as Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, cancer, arthritis, autoimmune diseases, all based on inflammation.